Hello everyone, welcome back to Best T-shirt Designs. In today's video, I am going to explain how print on demand works and as a t-shirt designer, how we can work on different print on demand platforms. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up so that I know you watched my video. So to start print on demand, we don't need to rent a store, we don't need to print any design, we don't need to print it in any size variations. We will only choose a print on demand website and we will upload our designs to that website, and when someone is going to place an order, that website is going to print that t-shirt and ship that t-shirt to the customer's given address. That means the print on demand website is going to handle all the printing and shipping hassle for us. So what are the best print on demand websites? So in this case, Amazon March on Demand is the best option. Then comes the Etsy. There are Redbubbles and maybe TeePublic. Amazon does not approve all the requests they get, so it will be hard for you to get your account approved on Amazon. Same to Etsy. If you are not someone from USA, you will not be able to open your shop on Etsy, because to open your shop on Etsy, you will need to have a SSN number, the social security number. But the good thing is we can work on TeePublic. So this is TeePublic. You can easily create your account here and you can start uploading your designs here. So what we are going to design and what we are going to upload here, there comes the niche selection process. That means this is not micro stock that you will work on as many niches as you want. We need to choose our niche to start doing print on demand, because then later we can create our audience on that niche. I will make a different video on how we can build our audience, but to start print on demand we need to select our niche. So for selecting the niche, we need to understand two things. First of all is you need to select a niche that is something you understand. That means, let's say you understand how to garden, how to plant trees, how to take care of them, you understand that process. So you can select niche, you can select gardening as your niche. Let's say you don't know how a welder works, how a firefighter works, but still you can work on those niches if you understand what they do and what others are creating designs in that niche. If you can do that, you can select any niche you want. But it is good to select something that you understand, because then later when we will try to build our audience, it will help us. So second option is you need to be able to create designs on that niche. So if you don't understand the niche, you will not be able to create good designs on that. You will not be able to understand what is a good design, what is a good quote for this niche. So it is better if you understand, if you select something that you understand. There are two kinds of niche we can work with. First of all is evergreen. So evergreen is something that sells all year around. Let's say coffee. So coffee is a evergreen niche because people drinks coffee all the year. It's not like people only drinks coffee in Christmas or Halloween. So coffee is something people drinks all the year long. So you can work with coffee all year long and it is going to give you sales all over the year. So that is called evergreen niche. And the second option is occasional niche. So what is the occasional niche? Occasional niche is something when a occasion is about to come. Let's say this is August here, so the next big occasion is going to be Halloween. So Halloween is in October, so we can start uploading our Halloween related designs to print on demand, because we know that in the Halloween season people buy gift for them, for their family members. So that is the occasional niche. Halloween is the occasional niche, Christmas is occasional niche, New Year, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, these are all occasions and you can. So let's say you want to work with occasions, then you will just keep making designs for different occasions. Let's say now next occasion is Halloween, so we will make some designs for Halloween. Then the next occasion is Thanksgiving, we will make something for that. Then comes the Christmas, so we'll create some designs for Christmas too. But the negative side here is, once this occasion is over, let's say the Halloween is over, your designs are not going to sell because Halloween is over. Nobody is going to buy a Halloween design in December. Maybe they will buy Christmas designs in December but not Halloween designs. So the bad side of working with occasion is, once the occasion is over, the designs will stop selling. So if you want to work all over the year, you need to select evergreen niche, and then there is another way. which we call cross niching. So let's say we want our niche is gardening, so we want to cross niche it with Halloween. So that will become something like this. The designs we created for gardening with a Halloween boo, as you can see, gardening is my therapy, with a ghost holding some gardening tools. So this is called cross niching. Gardening is my main niche and I want to sell it for Halloween. That's why I am including Halloween elements to my design. Also, you can do the same thing with Christmas. As you can see, gardening is my therapy. I am using a Santa Claus and using some different gardening related tools to represent that this is for Christmas. So this is called cross niching. So once you understand which niche you are going to work, then you need to understand how we can cross niche these things with different occasions. So that is the step of niche selection. Then comes the design creation. So for creating a design, you can use AI tools like as I have shown in some of my previous videos. Also, you can create them with using Illustrator. You can create them using Photoshop, as you see in my previous videos. So you can make your designs in any way you like. Then once your design is ready, we need different print on demand websites. So once you have your account on TeePublic and your design is ready, you can simply click on this upload art. This is going to bring you here, and from here I am going to select my design. Maybe use this one, as the gardening is my therapy, so I'm going to use this one. So once you are done with this, we need to put these details here. So let's say gardening is my therapy. So gardening is my therapy. This is the main keyword of my design. Gardening is my therapy, but we can still add some more keywords. So this gardening is a keyword, therapy is a keyword. If anyone is searching for therapy on TeePublic, my design will show up, or all the design that contains this therapy word, that those are going to be in the search page. So we can add some more keywords here. Gardening is my therapy, gift for gardening lovers, maybe gardening tools. We can add some elements like this, which is the keyword here, gardening. So gardening and lovers gift. We don't need to mention any product name here, because maybe someone will buy it as a t-shirt, someone will buy it as a sticker, maybe someone will buy it as a mug design. So we don't specify any product here. Just copy this one, and here we can simply paste the title here. Also, if you want, you can add some more keywords in there. And for that, so another option is you can ask ChatGPT to give you an description like this, and I am writing like, give me a description of t-shirt listing. Gardening is my therapy includes some keywords like gardening, gardening lovers, and this is the description it is giving me, and we can simply just copy it and paste it here. So that will include some of our keywords in the description. That is fine. And here we need to select our main tag. So our main tag is going to be gardening. So I'm going to choose gardening, or maybe we can choose gardening lovers. Lover, that is going to be the main tag. Then if I click here, it is going to give me some supporting tags. I don't need to type anything, just click here. It is going to give me this kind of keyword suggestion, and try to put as much as you can which is related to your listing. That is going to be not flower, maybe plant, and you will want to spend some time here, because these are the things that is going to bring your designs in the search results. So if you spend time here, that is going to help your listing to show up in the customer feed. Maybe we can type gardening lovers, lover gift. We can type gardening lovers, gardening funny, gardening mom, something like that. Gardening design, this is a girly design, so you can search like gardening woman. So these are all the keyword that is relevant to our listing, and we can choose some keywords like that. Once done, you can simply go to the next step, which is, does this design contain any mature content? So no, this is not something adult or mature content. So here we need to select a base color. So first of all, I am going to make it black, because I have some blacks in our PNG image here, as you can see. So if I select black as the base color, that is going to look good. I can select any color I want, but in this case, this is going to be look something different. So I'm just going to make it black. Also here there are different kind of products it is offering. So this design is not for kids. I'm going to turn that off. You can turn any product you don't want, you can turn that off. For this baseball tee we can select black and white, not white and black, that is going to make it look like this, but black and white. So you can, if you don't want any product, you can turn that off. Once you are satisfied with the selection, you can select anything like, let's say dark. I am going to select only the dark colors for this design, not light color. If I select light colors, this is not going to look good because my design has some lighter color wording, as you can see the therapy word and all the elements there. So I'm just going to click on dark, that is going to select all the dark products. Now from here it is offering all the different formats of products. We can select everything that is suitable for, let's say for this phone case, this is not a good design for a phone case. Maybe if I make it bigger, this is how it is going to be, but this is not going to look good on a phone case. Nobody is going to buy it, so I can turn it off. Maybe for mugs we can make the designs a bit smaller, something like this. For this tumbler here we can make it a bit smaller, so that is fine. Also wall art, you can just keep it default as you like, and then click on this I have read and agreed to the terms and condition, then publish. So this is how you can publish your designs on TeePublic. And now you have two options. Option 1 is you will wait for someone to search your design here on TeePublic and they will buy it from here. Option 2 is you don't need to wait for anyone, you can build your own customer, you can build your own audience. I will make the next part of this video on that topic, how we can build our audience, how we can make our own customers. So then I will promote this link. So if I give this link to anyone, they can easily come to this store here and they can buy this t-shirt. Also as you can see, they are offering it in different size, different colors. So let's say classic, it has classic t-shirt, heavyweight t-shirt, v-neck. Let's say I want a v-neck t-shirt, I can choose that v-neck t-shirt. Maybe my size is L, so I can choose the L. Maybe I want it on a blue shirt. One more thing we need to keep in mind, that nobody buys a t-shirt because of the graphic color, they buy a t-shirt for the t-shirt color. So if you love to wear a blue shirt, you will buy a blue shirt. You are not going to buy a black shirt because the design is looking good on black. So keep in mind that whenever we are making a design, we are placing it on anything, we need to keep in mind that is it going to look good on a shirt color, on a specific shirt color. So let's say for this heather color, this design is going to look something like this and it is not looking very good. So this is not going to sell if someone is looking for only heather color shirt, only gray color shirt. So that is something you need to consider. Anyway, so this is how print on demand works. Now I don't need to print this t-shirt, I don't need to print it on 5 different variation of this. I don't need to print it on different product categories here. I will just create a design and upload it to TeePublic. And if anyone needs this t-shirt on a 2XL shirt, maybe a classic t-shirt in a, let's say a blue color shirt, something like that, then they will place the order like this. Then TeePublic is going to print this t-shirt on a 2XL blue color shirt and they will ship it to the given address by the customer. So the thing here is, it is now showing $18 because when you upload something at first, it is comes to a sale. That means it is in a discount process right now. But if anyone buys it with $18, we will get something like $2 to $3 for the profit, and the rest will be the printing and shipping cost that TeePublic will take from this sale. So if this sells one time, I will get, let's say I will get $2 and the $16 will be the printing and shipping cost of TeePublic. So they will take that. But if I keep selling it, if I, let's say if this design sells for 50 times, I will get 50 into 2, I will get $100 from this single design. And on another positive side is, as long as my account will be here, it will be available for anyone to buy. That means I can, let's say I am uploading this design today, maybe someone can buy it after 2 years when I will not even thinking of this store, and this is bringing me some extra passive income. So this is how print on demand works. I hope you get the idea. Now I am going to create 2 more part of this video. In one, I am going to show you how we can market our designs, And for marketing our design, I will make another part how we can build our customer, how we can build our audience. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions on it. Thank you for watching guys, have a great time.